I will create a journal to 11/22 journal. Yeah, you have to give a journal batch description. And here you can see the source as manual. And I will create the journal in Jan 22. You are creating a journal in prior period. It gives a warning since we are in Feb and I'm trying to create in Jan. It gives a warning. That's fine. And I will give the journal header name, description. I have to choose a category. As you can see, it is mandatory. I'll choose miscellaneous. Okay. So Lani, based on this, okay. So this is all the Oracle, right? So in this case, Lani, what is the legacy account? And
The legacy account would be in row 5.
okay, so these are the legacy and these are the mapped Oracle account, right? Okay, so you can see this is credit and the sum of this is here. Okay.
So for this particular sample, I copied one DI document.
Okay. Okay, so I will create a journal of this. So 3110. Fund is 37828. Okay, that is Walter Rosenberg Research Fund. And department. I don't know if all these values are there. Okay.
Yep, I checked the RIT.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so Lani gave us a real entry and she mapped it through to the new values in case it was
but for the program, I just made it up. I mean, I just copied a program. It's not really related to the Rosenberg, or maybe it is.
Okay, so rest all zeros. I think, yeah, see if it is few lines, then you can do the online. Otherwise, if there are more lines, it would be easier for you to do through the spreadsheet.
Right.
Okay, so, and then, so I'll just do 2 lines, okay, to avoid the copy. Oh, it's the same, only the department is changing, right? Okay. Let me see if there is a duplicate line. Yeah. Okay.
Just change the department.
Yeah. Four two six 4.74.
Shannon, did you have a question as Ravi was going through this?
Yeah, I was just going to see if you wanted me to chime in with the user story since this is the document I processed. I don't know if that would help for context with the group.
Oh, so okay, for this journal?
Yeah, so this is a document that Lani took from one that I processed in our current state system. And what the goal of it was is the campus is distributing expense across the entire campus, all endowments across the campus. And in this case, some of that expense hit in only one account when there were multiple chart strings in different departments for that same fund. So this is me redistributing some of that expense proportionally across all of those chart strings or the legacy accounts that you're seeing there.
Gotcha.
So that's the user story. I needed to move some expense around. So this is a distribution of expense.
Oh.
I did it manually only because there are about 5 rows.
Okay. I just want to create an unbalanced journal. Okay, so just want to show what happens. So I will save it. Okay, so here you can see the total accounted debit and credit aren't equal. Do you want to continue? Okay, so it does gives you the balance check.
So it's off by 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now let's save it. Aren't equal. Oh yeah.
Interesting.
4246. Okay. Okay, saved. I'll complete it and then post it. Any questions? Okay, I will. You can do attachment.
So if we wanted to do all 5 of the different pieces or the 4 other pieces of the transaction, we could just keep adding rows here.
Yeah, you could,
Excellent.
duplicate, and then change it. Just change
Nice, thank you.
the values. Yeah. Yeah, here in this case, only the department is changing, right? Rest all the same thing. So you can go ahead and do that.
And also, if you hit duplicate, is it if it's like there's 2 different segments or chart strings, what will it copy? The
The entire
top
string.
part or the lower part? If there's 2
See,
different
wherever-
segments.
Okay, so I did, if you see this, which one I copied? Yeah, wherever I kept I highlighted it, that line, it duplicated it. So you are seeing all 733, right? So if you want to duplicate this one, yeah, now you click on this and duplicate. Yeah, you can see that same thing is getting duplicated. So wherever you are highlighting, it will take that as a base and it will duplicate.